explain about Bluetooth. So, Bluetooth is a wireless technology that allows the exchange of data between different devices. While Bluetooth uses wavelengths to transmit information, it generally only works within a short distance for the devices to stay connected. The first idea for the Bluetooth was started by Ericsson in 1998. Basically, they wanted to connect a mobile device with the system, so they joined hands with IBM, Intel, Nokia, and Toshiba, and discovered Bluetooth in 1999. The basic goal of the Bluetooth is to connect mobile phones to other devices using short range, low power, and inexpensive wireless radios. Basically, it allows devices to securely transfer data through pairing. Later versions of Bluetooth 2.0, 3.0, 4.0 are released in the later years. So, in this slide, we can see the architecture of the Bluetooth. The main unit of the Bluetooth is Piconet. A Piconet is a small Bluetooth network that connects mobile devices wirelessly over a short range of 10 m radius using ultra high frequency radio waves to form a personal area network. A Piconet can be formed by at most 8 stations, one of which is master node and the rest are slave nodes. Thus, it can accommodate a maximum of 7 slaves. The master node is the primary station that manages the small network. The slave stations are secondary stations that are synchronized with the primary station. Communication takes place between a master node and a slave node in either one-to-one or one-to-many manner. However, no direct communication takes place between slaves. Each station, whether the master or slave, is associated with a 48-bit fixed device addresses. Besides the 7 active slaves, there can be up to 255 number of park nodes. These are in low power state for energy conservation. The only work that they can do is to respond for a frame for activation from the master node. So mainly the master slave design was chosen because the designers intended to design the Bluetooth chips for under $5. The main disadvantage of the Bluetooth architecture is that the slave nodes are dumb. They do whatever the master node tells them to do. So in this way, two Piconets are connected in the SCATAnet. These two are connected using bridge slave, as you can see here. The shaded version is the parked slave and the normal is called the active slave. Generally, most network protocols are generic. Bluetooth uses particular profiles to handle different things. They use 25 different application profiles. In them, 6 for audio and video, connecting keyboard to computer, sending images from camera to printer, mobile phone used as remote, etc. And 2 other profiles are used, one for file transfer and one for streaming real-time communication. And there are different applications profiles based on different working groups. As you can see, this is the Bluetooth protocol architecture. The bottom layer is radio layer, and the layer above radio layer is link control layer, which is also called as baseband layer. The host control interface separates the upper layers and bottom layer. And as you can see, the shaded versions are different profiles used as we discussed in the previous slides. So this is the basic architecture of the Bluetooth. Thank you.